Let me illustrate by a few of these things. April 10, 1982, God was blowing hot to us in our team, the powerhouse, and was unveiling some unthinkable things that would make them think Brother David must be off his mind. Completely. That boy, there's nothing there. You mean the destiny of this age has been committed to your hand? Who are you? This nonsense boys. If you ask all principalities and powers, if you see them and ask them, what is one of your greatest problems on this earth today? It is commission. We frustrated him during COVID-19 palaver. We sent him packing, humiliated him to the last point.
Yes.
He packed his luggage and left. Amen.
Amen.
Destiny of this age. Matthew 33 is ringing around the world today.
Yes, yes sir. Yes, sir.
Every church that's alive
Yes.
is catching it. Yes. We were 63 people in that meeting. No, 68. We were 68 in that meeting. When God was blowing hot that he would build 50,000 seat sanctuary above God ready.
No, sir.
What did we do? Just kept walking with Jesus. Just walk. There was no day we raised as a prayer point. You'll be speaking from one place, is we heard saying on the screen around the world at the same time. What? How? NTA? KADUNA TV? No. There was no internet in view. Here we are today. Most ministers around the world attend this service first in preparing for their services. They write us, they let us know. 150 nations, 170 nations in the service. Hooked onto the service. God never lies. Instead of praying and fasting for promises to be fulfilled, keep pursuing after God. Pursue after God. You are wasting your time. We never pray for 50,000 seat sanctuary forever. God said it, we left it there. Kept obeying him. I saw wings flying, and I said, what are these? He said, these are aircrafts. BishopDavidOyedepo was secretary. He said, aircraft. I said, no, aircrafts. We bought aircraft like buying a bicycle. Until tomorrow, there is no feeling, there is no stress, there is no. How do we run? We run it as I run my car. Amen.
Amen.
My God! Wake up! Walk before me and be thou perfect. And I will establish my covenant with you and will multiply you exceedingly. Stop chasing after the shadows. Walk with Jesus.